This is Dan Swanson reporting for Nebraska City News Press. Sunday night storm brought some horrific winds, a lot of damage over it. It traveled about 45 miles per hour. Otoe County Emergency Management Director Greg Goebel said that virtually every village around here suffered some kind of tree damage. There was a cemetery over Palmyra where the cedar tree took such a hard hit that the smell of cedar just dominated the air. Right here, County Roads L and 20, a 60-year-old cottonwood was toppled and ripped from its roots. It not only blocked the road here, but it collapsed a pretty new-looking bridge.
This was the scene Sunday night as winds approached maximum 65 miles per hour. They're ripping through this red oak tree in Nebraska City. But as quickly as the storm came, it faded. The sun came out. That showed over Nebraska City. Some of the damage was a branch down, of course, on Central Avenue near 20th Street, and more trees blocking the roadway. Even the stoplight on Central Avenue, about 8th Street, had been destroyed. Brad Baby and his crew